Affiliate marketing confusing you? Top tips that can help. Affiliate marketing is a well-kept secret of multinational corporations. For the everyday business owner, it can serve the same benefit for your outfit as it does for them. This video outlines a variety of tips and a bit of sound advice that can help you capitalize on affiliate marketing. Record a high-quality video where you demonstrate an affiliate product, then upload it to YouTube along with your affiliate link. YouTube is a great source for potential buyers, and if you provide an informative video about a product, people will be more inclined to buy the product through your affiliate link. Avoid exclusive affiliate marketing programs. These are programs that restrict a webmaster's advertising. Such programs might require that a webmaster advertise only his or her affiliates' products in a given category, or even advertise no products at all except the affiliates. This is an unreasonable demand to make, and experienced website owners will not stand for it. When trying to get ahead in affiliate marketing, it's a good idea to use some type of time management software to assist you. By using software to help you, you can set start dates, time yourself, and keep better track of what you're doing. Software makes it easy to streamline the process, and keeping track of time helps you stay on task. If an affiliate program isn't working for you, try something else. There are so many different affiliate marketing programs out there that finding the one that fits with your audience and your style takes some time. Research ad testing into your page to track what is working and what isn't it. Check your favorite products to see if they offer affiliate marketing programs as well. You aren't limited to just the big affiliate sites. Taking the unique approach that affiliate marketing offers your business can be one of the best business decisions you will make. Forging long-lasting and secure relationships with partner businesses has the potential to greatly widen your consumer access. It is an intelligent and noteworthy direction toward marketing and profit procurement. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.